Start by opening the door and putting the lock in the locked position. Remove the inside thumb turn by removing the two through fixing cylinder retaining screws. Once fully removed, prepare the Tedee adapter, making sure the tail bar is aligned with the slot in the back of the new Tedee adapter. Attach and affix to the door using the cylinder retaining screws. Once done, you'll be ready to install your Tedee PRO. Start by unlocking the door, putting the lock in the unlocked position. You'll notice on the top of the shaft there's a slot, top and bottom, and a through fixing screw. On your Tedee PRO 2, you'll see there's an alignment on the back for the adapter. Align this with the through fixing screw before installing, and simply install over the top of the shaft and aligning with the adapter. Tighten with the screw going through the hole in the adapter. Once done, check for function, then you're ready to calibrate your new Tedee PRO smart lock.